How to clean storage on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on Search. Search File Apps. After Search Files app, download. After install Files by Google, click on Open. After click on Open, click on Continue and make sure turn on this button. After turn on this button, click on this 3 lines icon. And click on Clean. After click on Clean, click on Clean. After the process, you will see go back to home screen. So that's how you can clean storage on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.